touch the glue bottle and move it around. Good. Oh, you stick that on your sticker paper, Milo. We'll be to your turn next. Okay, oh, don't squeeze it in the air. Put it down. Can you make the glue bottle touch the paper and move the glue bottle? Yep. Get something up in the top. Nope. Touch, touch, and draw like a pencil. Good job. Milo, can you put the glue bottle on the paper? Milo, touch it and then make a line. Get the corners, get everywhere. Can you put the glue bottle back on the paper?
Water, paint.
What's this? Water, paint.
Water, paint.
After you get the paint, you paint on the
Paper.
paper. So we say water, then paint, then paper. Good job.
You mean what?
Milo, are you doing it too? Where's your water? Can you do water? Water. Forgetting the water stuff. Water. Then paint. Then paper. Don't scrunch it, Milo. You want to keep your brush on its tippy toes.